Do me a favor, help us to grow. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's going to help us, and it's also going to help you to get more great content. God bless. Enjoy this next video.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, click the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Also, if you're a musician who would like access to the top 10 gospel chords that musicians use today, click on the book on the left hand side of the screen or the link in the description.